Welcome back, Physical Science 20. This is the third video and the last one in the FC2.2, the mole section. So in the first one, in the previous example, we went from mass to moles. Now we'll look at it vice versa, moles to mass. And of course, we'll be using this schematic now. So we're going to be starting off with moles and moving to mass. So a liter of human blood typically contains 4.0 times 10 to the minus 3 moles of glucose. Calculate the mass that this is equivalent to. So we're starting with moles and we're going to mass. So from moles to grams, moles to grams. Moving this way so you can see one molar mass over 1 mole. So no matter which way we're looking at it, we're going to have to figure out the molar mass of C6H12O6. So glucose, C6H12O6. So if I have a mole of that many molecules, I'd have 6 moles of carbon, 12 moles of H, and 6 moles of O. So the molar mass of carbon is 12.01. Molar mass of hydrogen is 1.01. And the molar mass of oxygen is 16.00. All right. So multiply that all out. 72.06 plus 12.112 plus 96. That gives me a grand total of 180.18 grams per every mole of glucose. All right, so starting with what I'm given moles, 4.0 times 10 to the minus 3 moles of glucose. And again, the molar mass, there's 3 different ways we can represent that, 180 grams per mole, or we can represent that as a ratio in this format, 180.18 grams for every 1 mole. Or 1 mole is 180.18 grams. And of course, the one that's going to be beneficial here, going from moles to grams. Moles to grams. C6H12O6. C6H12O6. So you can see here, and we always want to do that. We always want to cancel the unit that we're starting with and ending up with the unit that we're being asked to find. So of course, let's see here, moles on the bottom, nope, there it is right there. So 180.18 grams is 1 mole. And of course, the foolproof method, just simply looking at the blue sheet here, and you can see it's the same thing, molar mass over 1 mole, molar mass over 1 mole. So that cancels. If we multiply that all out, we end up with 0.72072 grams of C6H12O6 glucose. And if we look at the number of sig figs, so again, don't look at the molar mass, simply look at the original number here. So I have 2 sig figs, so I need 2 sig figs. The next digit is a 0. So this is going to simply be 0.72 grams of glucose. That's all there is to it. So using the molar mass as that bridge between grams and moles. All right, so you should be able to do the assignment for that FC2.2 section, and we'll see you again.